Kerima. Welcome back to another video. So we got lots to do today. Lots of cleaning. Can't let you down. Lots to do, but not too bad, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna just show you all the areas that we are going to be touching on today, and hopefully we meet our goal. My goal is really to get the whole upstairs, all the bedrooms, the bathrooms, get the laundry put away. I already feel like I'm lying when I say get the laundry put away, but at least the clean laundry, the laundry that has not been washed yet, that at least needs to be put away. And hopefully we can get, if we get the laundry that I'm washing today folded, I'm good. If it's in the basket, it's folded, but we got to get the old laundry put away because we got to recycle the basket. So I'm gonna just turn the camera around and show you guys what we're working with today. If you're new here, Kerima again, hi. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and, you know, coming to my channel, spending some time with me. Lots of mommy motivation, busy mom, working mom, stay-at-home mom, mom, doesn't matter. Just lots of motivation here on this channel. We have a lot of fun. Apparently some people think I'm funny, so if you like to laugh, good place to be. But let's jump right into it. Let me show you what I'm working with today. I'm actually really proud of how we kept up the house this week. Like, we did good. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, go watch some of my old videos. Don't judge me, just watch. But we did good this week. I'm even proud of Chloe. You guys are gonna be so proud of her because she did a really good job keeping up her room. So this should be easy. I should be able to get through everything. Okay, so I'm probably not gonna start out in my room, but since we're in here, let's just take a look. Not bad at all. Like, just gotta make the bed, of course, wipe down the furniture, take down my breakfast. I've just been doing a lot of meals in bed, and, you know, put up a little clothes, vacuum the carpet. Bam, we're done in here. Okay, bathroom, not too bad. Yes, I know this is a situation, but I have a solution for this. I am gonna get a little tray here and remove these two canisters. Probably can't see them, but I'm gonna get a small tray for my face items that I just clearly like to have on top of the sink. And that will at least organize the thing. Hopefully, we'll see how it works out. But of course, gotta clear that up, clean the showers, mop the floors, clean the toilet. I just took a shower, ignore that. Sorry, I didn't mean to show you my underwear, but I worked out this morning. So that's a win, and that's what I was wearing. So I'm gonna pick that up and we're gonna wash that, get this bathroom situated. That's not too bad, really. So this room is done, let's move on. Okay, moving right along to Chloe's room. Of course, gotta make up the bed. She gets up early to go to school, so I don't harass her about that. But guys, look, like, okay, she's been doing a good job. Now, I know for some, if you're new here, this is like, oh, but you got clothes on the floor, it's messy. Go watch one of my daughter's old videos. Watch one of the videos of me cleaning my daughter's room, and then you'll understand where we're coming from. Like, look at the closet. Now, I know the pile of clothes look crazy there, but that is because I have her laundry basket. So technically, that pile of clothes would have been in a laundry basket, but I had her clean clothes in the laundry basket, so she didn't have it. So I'm okay with this, but this is actually pretty clean. No toys on the floor, no paper, nothing crazy. As you can see, there's also no clothes in the closet, so I have to wash her clothes so she can have things to wear for this week. But this is really not that bad for Chloe. Chloe is doing well. We had a nice talk after the last major clean in her room because I wasn't feeling it, but she's been doing good. Hey guys, so this room is done. Moving on. So we do have a small situation here. This is the old clothes that needs to be put up. Not old clothes, but clean clothes that needs to be put up. I'm going to take care of that. And these things need to go downstairs to the playroom. Going to take care of that. So this is done. That's quick. Just needs to be moved. Let's move on to Kingston's room. This is Chloe's laundry basket. This is why her dirty clothes are on the floor, because I have Kingston's clean clothes actually in her basket. And don't worry, yes, this is their dirty clothes hamper, but sometimes when I need it, because our folding hampers are not available, I just clean it out and I use it. It's plastic. Good Lysol wipe, little Lysol spray, and it's like brand new. So Kingston's clothes, his basket is downstairs already with some dirty clothes, I believe, not sure. Most of his dirty clothes is downstairs. This is not it. Just a little straightening up in here and nothing too crazy. Make his bed. His sheets probably need to be washed. I'll probably just change that. It's my husband's clothes. He needs to fold them. Yep, stuff he needs to fold. Or Kingston's clothes. I don't know whose clothes is in there, but needs to be folded. I gotta wash his shark. He had a little accident. You notice white, yellow. So the shark peed the bed. We gotta clean the shark. And that's it. Kingston room is getting a makeover soon. You guys know sometime last year. Was it last year or was it the year before last? Well, Chloe got a room makeover and now it's Kingston's turn. We bought all the things. I just need one more item to come in and we'll start working on his room makeover. So stay tuned for that. But this room is done. It's clean. And of course, the last place upstairs that I need to take care of is the kids' bathroom. Not terrible. Usually the sink, sorry guys. Usually the mirror is nicely decorated. I mean, there's a little decoration on there, but not terrible. You know, straighten up, clean the essentials. The tub's not even terrible, believe it or not. So I don't think it's going to be that bad. I feel really confident today that we are going to get all of this done in a timely fashion. Like I can get it done, but filming it and not spending the whole day doing it, that's the challenge. Plus we got to get all the laundry done. Oh, let me show you the laundry. Okay, so we're back in my room, back in the closet, getting the laundry done. So this is my laundry. I'd like to get it done or at least start it. You know, maybe I can do mine tonight. I'm going to focus on the kids because the kids need clothes for school. You know, they have to go to school every day. And they need to be able to get dressed. But I kind of need to get dressed every day too. There's actually a basket down there. It is ridiculous why my laundry is so full. And then we have a blanket hanging out that needs to be washed. But the blanket doesn't count because we're not using that. I can wash that anytime. So my goal would be to get my laundry washed last though. Starting with the kids stuff, but it is a goal for today. But the kids stuff is the priority. So most of Kingston's dirty clothes are in here because he likes to get undressed from the time he walks through the door. So a lot of times his outfit never makes it to his bedroom. Usually it's just his underclothes up there. That's why he had that teeny tiny pile. So all of his clothes, Chloe has a few things in here that needs to be washed, and plus all her clothes in the closet. Pipe down. You know, I'm just getting way too excited right now. I feel good. I feel like we're gonna get this done, but I need to calm down. But that's my goal. This is my laundry priority. And if I even get to my laundry today, then I'm just winning, like all the way winning. So enough chatting. We're going to get started. Now, before we get started, I am going to make myself a little power snack because I gotta keep the energy strong. We gotta keep going strong today. So I'm gonna make myself some coffee. I feel like something fancy, so I think I'm gonna make me a little homemade frappuccino and have me a protein bar. So just to share real quick, at home frappuccino, I just buy the International Delight iced coffee, the caramel macchiato, mix that with some ice. I add a little bit of almond milk, vanilla almond milk, to just kind of thin it out a little bit because I can't do too much dairy. I got to keep my dairy to a minimum. And I do coconut cream, whipped cream, because again, with the dairy, I'm lactose intolerant, so dairy is not my friend. Even though I eat it, I just try to keep it at a minimum. And the protein bar I am having is Built Bar. If you've seen any video that I made in January, I've been eating one of these. They are so good. They pretty much taste like a candy bar, and they are packed with protein. This bar alone has 19 grams of protein. Where do they do that at? And it doesn't have a ton of sugar, which I love, and it's low in calories. So this bar has 160 calories. It has, hold that thought, I'm gonna tell you, probably about 5 grams of sugar in this whole bar. So I get to enjoy this entire bar, and it's 5 grams of sugar, 19 grams of protein. So those are really good. Built Bar has lots of flavors. I'm a chocolate lover, so I am going to be having this toffee almond chocolate bar, but they have 18 different flavors. You can check it out on their website if you want to give it a try. And I do have a coupon code. If you use my discount code or link, you will get 20% off. You can get a variety box like I have, because I wanted to try a bunch of the different flavors that they had. Or if you know you like a certain flavor, you can just get a box of that flavor. They have larger boxes, smaller boxes, so you'll find something for you. And if you work out like I do and you really want to find ways to beef up your protein without having to eat large meals, because I just can't do it, I think you'll enjoy these. So give them a try. All right, Chloe room is done. So we get one check for her room. Probably the fastest I've ever been able to clean her room. Stuffed animals, hello. All right. Moving right along. Kingston room is done. This room is my absolute favorite to clean because it's the easiest, quickest. I haven't cleaned the windows in forever. I'm not sure what we're gonna do with this teepee. He doesn't play with it much, but it's gonna stay there for now. Carpet vacuumed. And on to the next. All right, this is the last load of the kids' laundry, so we are doing good. The last load actually just finished washing, so I throw that in the dryer, and the kids' clothes will be officially done washing and drying. Now we'll see about folding, but for real, so far so good. I'm happy. All right, now let's fill. I don't wash. Oh, y'all, I'm out of breath and I'm tired. I don't dry Chloe's gymnastic uniform, so that's why that's up here. I really need to go hang it on the rack, but it's the only thing that I had that needs to dry, so I'm about to put it on a hanger in her room and it can dry in her room. Let's get this last load in this dryer, and it is good written to these kids' clothes. I don't know if I'm gonna wash mine, but I do think I will get to mine tonight, so that's good. Same day. right, so I am done with my room. Look at this. Look at this. First of all, don't be like me. If you have this Dyson vacuum, this is where this is the max fill line. So you're not really supposed to let it get past that. But mine is here. This is the max and this is where mine is at. So don't be like me. And this is just for my rooms. I just did, no, let me not lie. There was a little bit in here when I first started. So whatever was in here plus vacuuming all 3 bedrooms, it's a mess. So I'm gonna empty this and keep going. It's like 2:30, almost 2:27. Kingston is gonna be coming home soon. So I'm gonna just show you my room real quick and then we got to keep going, guys. Okay, so here is an overview of the room. I've been using my makeup vanity as a little workstation, desk area, as you can see, and my computer and my microphone here. I like to do my voiceovers here because it kind of sounds better like that. I edit a lot in bed or, you know, work on my videos in bed, but it's easier to do your voiceovers when your microphone is stationary and you can stay the same distance from your microphone. Your sound is better. When I try to record from the bed, it sounds all types of crazy. So been using that. My tables are clean. Ooh, I need to tuck that corner better, but such is life. Bed is made, bench is clean, floor is vacuumed. I'm sweating, but it's worth it. I need to organize my little workstation here, but that's for another day. And clean. So this room, done. I should do check marks on the screen. It makes me feel better. Now I'm gonna try to get the kids' bathroom done before Kingston comes home. I have 1 hour. Let's see if we can do it. Kids' bathroom done. Mirror clean. Everything is nice and clean. Mop the floors. I did clean the tub. Had to do that off camera because Kingston is literally coming in 10 minutes. So I had to just get some stuff done. But tub is clean. Everything clean. The rugs are in the wash. So check. Bathroom is done. Alright guys, so as you saw, we got pretty much everything on the list done except my master bathroom, but I'm okay with that because I got all the kids' clothes washed and put away. Oh, I didn't get to my clothes either, but I'll get to my clothes tonight. That's absolutely fine. The fact that their clothes are done and put away just makes me very happy. The kids are coming home from school now. Kingston is here. Chloe is on her way home, so I'm gonna stop here. This will be the end of the video and I'm gonna make the kids some lunch. You won't see the lunch in this video, but my easy lunch recipes video should be coming out next week. You'll see all the lunches that we had this week. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you guys got a ton of motivation. I hope you guys got some things done around the house, or if not, you just sat back and enjoyed. Either way, I appreciate you guys watching and I'll see you in the next one. Love you guys.